welcome to Cruise 360. This is an amazing event, and I'm standing right here with a replica of one of my favorite ships, the MSC Seaside. And this is up to, I don't know, maybe about 2 weeks ago, the newest ship in the world. There was another ship that has just been released from the shipyard, but we're not talking about that ship today. We're still talking about MSC. And this replica is very nice because it shows the South Beach area representing what is the life of Miami. And of course, the elevators to the aft that will take you all the way up to the top. And what I love about it is as you are ascending and descending, you're really looking over at the sea, and you really feel as though you have an infinity experience. So we're going to be here for the next few days, and we're going to be taking in a little bit of a lot of things. So I encourage you, stay with us all through this particular week and get the best of what Cruise 360 has to offer, not only for us as travel professionals, but for you, our valued clients. This is Sharon from Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, where we're all about the fun. So you know, we always say it's all about the fun. This is where I got the concept from. And I'm going to now be the school teacher. Let us read this together. Carnival. It's all fun and games until it's more fun and more games. Now you understand why we're the funnest people around. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. River cruising is all the whole, from wine cruises to culinary adventures, sailing the Rhine, the Main, the Danube, oh, the Mekong. And where am I today? It's Cruise 360, guys. This is the world's largest cruise event, and I am so happy to be a part of it. Here we are, standing where it all comes together with AMA Waterways, one of our preferred suppliers, and we are ready to take you on the rivers throughout Europe and Asia. We look forward to talking to you very, very soon.